Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of amazing feats. But have you ever stopped to think about what keeps everything running? The answer is your cardiovascular system. This incredible network, often referred to as the circulatory system, acts as your body's very own transportation system. It's responsible for delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to every cell while efficiently removing waste products. At the heart of this intricate system lies a powerful pump, your heart. This muscular organ works tirelessly, beating about 100,000 times a day to ensure a continuous flow of blood throughout your body. But the heart is just one part of the equation. Imagine a complex network of roadways with highways, streets, and narrow lanes all working together to ensure smooth traffic flow. That's essentially what your blood vessels do. They form a closed-loop system, carrying blood away from the heart, delivering it to various tissues, and returning it for replenishment. This intricate dance of the heart, blood vessels, and the life-sustaining fluid they carry, blood, forms the crux of the cardiovascular system. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into each component of this remarkable system, understanding their individual roles and how they work in perfect harmony to keep us alive and thriving. The heart, a fist-sized organ nestled slightly to the left of your chest, is the engine of your cardiovascular system. Don't let its size fool you. This mighty pump is a marvel of biological engineering. It's divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria, and 2 lower chambers known as ventricles. Think of the atria as receiving chambers. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The ventricles, on the other hand, are the pumping chambers. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Separating these chambers are valves, ensuring a one-way flow of blood. The tricuspid valve lies between the right atrium and right ventricle, while the mitral valve separates the left atrium and left ventricle. Similarly, the pulmonary valve controls blood flow from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery, and the aortic valve regulates blood flow from the left ventricle to the aorta. Blood vessels are the intricate roadways of your circulatory system, responsible for transporting blood throughout your body. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries, each with a specific role. Arteries are the high-pressure pipelines of the system. They carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to various tissues and organs. Their thick, elastic walls allow them to withstand the pressure generated by each heartbeat. You can feel this pressure as your pulse. Veins, on the other hand, carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Since the pressure in veins is lower, they have thinner walls and often possess valves to prevent blood from flowing backward. Connecting arteries and veins are capillaries, the smallest and most numerous of the blood vessels. These microscopic vessels form a vast network within tissues, facilitating the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between blood and cells. Section 4. The beat goes on, the cardiac cycle explained. The rhythmic beating of your heart, which you can feel as your pulse, is the result of a carefully orchestrated series of events known as the cardiac cycle. This cycle consists of 2 main phases, systole and diastole. Systole is the contraction phase. During systole, the ventricles contract, pushing blood out of the heart and into the arteries. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, while the left ventricle pumps blood to the rest of the body. Diastole, on the other hand, is the relaxation phase. During diastole, the ventricles relax and refill with blood. The atria contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. The cycle then repeats, ensuring a continuous flow of blood throughout the body. Section 5. Oxygen on board. The journey of oxygen through your body. One of the most crucial functions of your cardiovascular system is to deliver oxygen to every cell in your body. This life-sustaining gas is essential for cellular respiration, the process by which cells convert glucose into energy. The journey of oxygen begins in your lungs, where it diffuses from tiny air sacs called alveoli into surrounding capillaries. These capillaries converge into larger vessels, eventually forming the pulmonary veins, which carry oxygen-rich blood back to the heart. The heart then pumps this oxygenated blood through the aorta, the body's main artery, and into a vast network of arteries that branch out to reach every corner of your body. As blood flows through capillaries within tissues, oxygen diffuses from the capillaries into the cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, diffuses from the cells into the capillaries. This deoxygenated blood then travels back to the heart through veins, completing the cycle. Section 6. Your cardiovascular system, the lifeline of your body. The cardiovascular system is literally your lifeline. It's responsible for transporting not just oxygen but also nutrients, hormones, and immune cells throughout your body. It also plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature and removing waste products. Maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is vital for overall well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding smoking are just a few ways to keep your heart and blood vessels in top shape. Understanding how your cardiovascular system works is not just fascinating, it empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. By taking care of this remarkable system, you're investing in a longer, healthier life.